Yes, guys. As you just saw in the title of this video, and I swear not wasting your time, it actually works. This method will accurately guess your age. And not only that, this method will also guess the number what you are thinking. Yes, you listened correctly. Just follow the steps properly. What I show you, let's start. Think of any number from 1 to 9. Now the number what you think multiply by 2. Now, add 5 to the answer. Now multiply that answer by 50. Now listen attractively. If you already had your birthday in 2022, add 1772 to your answer. But if you still don't, add only 1771 to your answer. Now just extract your year of birth from your final answer. Ready? At this point, your result must be of 3 digits. Right. Okay. Now check this. The first number of your answer is the number you thought of. And not only that, the 2 other numbers is your current age. Awesome. I hope you might be enjoy this video a lot. Don't forget to like it and subscribe. Sultan TV Official, and share this video with others so they can be as impressed with you